Jedediah, how's the oil draining coming along?
Mighty fine, Doc. Got me a whole bucket's worth. Smells like progress.
Ugh, that's disgusting. In the future, we've got safety valves, eco pumps. You don't even have to touch the oil. Are you serious? You guys are still using a bucket?
Bucket's been doing fine since '83.
That's 1883.
This place has drones, robots, tea with voice commands, and this is how we still change oil?
The world kept moving forward, but the oil drain? It just stayed in the bucket.
Introducing the Oil Minion, the first modern oil drain.
Well, I'll be.
Great Scott, it's about time.
Now that's the future.